So we have the next topic, that is again it's a continuation of encoder. So in the last class we have seen a general 8:3 encoder, correct? So in today's class we'll be learning a special type of encoder that is called as BCD encoder. Okay, so this is BCD encoder. Okay, BCD encoder, you have seen decoder also, correct? So BCD decoder also we have studied. So now it is BCD encoder. BCD, binary coded decimal numbers, right? So BCD encoder, again same like BCD decoder. BCD decoder we had 4 inputs and 10 output lines. Encoder is exactly the opposite of decoder. So we will have 10 input lines and 4 output lines for a BCD encoder, isn't it? Decoder, BCD decoder, 4 inputs and 10 output lines. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 output line will be active. Similarly, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 is active. 0, 0, 1, 0, output line 2 is active. Same way till Y9, from Y0 to Y9. So we had 10 output lines and 4 input lines for a decoder. Now for BCD encoder, we must have 10 input lines and 4 output lines, and the IC number for BCD encoder is 74XX147. 74XX147 is BCD encoder. And here the inputs, 10 input lines we should have, but here for a 74XX147 we will not have 10 input lines, instead we will only have 9 input lines. Using these 9 input lines only we can encode all the numbers from 0 to 9. We will discuss how it is. But remember, for BCD encoder, even though the BCD numbers are from 0 to 9, that is 10 numbers, we actually need 10 input lines. For decoder we have 10 output lines. But for encoder we don't have 10 input lines, we will have only 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 input lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And one more important point here is inputs are active low. Inputs are also active low in 74XX147. You have to be very careful. Either you can write a triangular symbol or you can put a bubble. So just to tell you that even active low can also be represented by writing a bubble. Till now we were writing the triangular symbol. So this can also be used to represent active low. So I have written bubble at the input side. So if I am writing bubble at the input side, it means that the inputs are active low. If I write bubble at the output lines, outputs are active low. Bubble or a symbol, you know. Okay, so these are the input lines. Remember, we don't have 10, we have only 9 input lines which are active low. And how many output lines? Decimal numbers. If I have to represent, minimum 4 I want. So 4 output lines you have, A, B, C, D, and all the 4 output lines are also active low. So let me call this as A, B, C, D. All the output lines are active low. Again, a bubble at the output. Okay. So this is the symbol of 74XX147. 74XX147, 9 input lines and 4 output lines. This is a BCD encoder. So depending on the input lines, you are going to encode the inputs into BCD numbers. Okay. So let us understand the working of 74XX147. The working is nothing but what? Let us write the truth table. Let us see how these inputs are encoded into decimal numbers. So we have 9 input lines, correct? So write truth table, you write all the 9 input lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And outputs are A, B, C, D. So it is D, C, B, A. Okay, A, B, C, D. So now these are the inputs and these are the outputs. So these are inputs and these are outputs. So what is the first condition we usually take? First condition is what? First condition is when no input line is active. First condition is when no input line is active. First condition is when no input line is active. So what happens when no input line is active? See, the inputs are active low. Inputs are active low. If a particular line is active, that particular line should take the value 0. What is the first condition I am telling? No input line is active. That means all are 1. is active, no input line is active. That means all are 1. So what happens? You get the output as 0, 0, 0, 0. Can I write 0, 0, 0, 0 here? No, because the outputs are active low. Actually, the output is 0, 0, 0, 0. We get 0 at the output. We get 0, decimal number 0. Binary equivalent value 0, 0, 0, 0 we get. But since the outputs are active low, how 0 is represented in now? 1, C 1, B 1, A 1. This is actually represents the number 0. This actually represents the number 0. 0, how do we represent in binary? 0, 0, 0, 0. But since here the outputs are active low, I cannot write 0, 0, 0, 0. Instead, I have to write it as 1, 1, 1, 1. Please try to understand. Okay? And what will you understand from this is, since I have only 9 inputs, but decimal numbers I have from 0 to 9, 10 I have. But the input lines I have only from 0 to 9. So how do we represent 0? Like this we are going to represent 0. So 0 we are going to represent by using all the 9 input lines. When no input line is selected, this represents the decimal number 0. So 1, 1, 1, 1, or this particular output represents there is no valid input at the encoder. Okay? So this is how we represent 0. Now next. No input line is active, we are getting the value 0. First line is active. How do you indicate that the first line is active? If you have 0 at the first line is active. What about the remaining lines? The remaining lines are active high. So which is active here? The first input line is active. The first input line is active. So what is the output you get? 1. First input line is active. So you get the output as what? 0, 0, 0, 1. But since the outputs are active low, what is the actual output you are going to get? 1, 1, 1, 0 you are going to get. You are going to get 1, 1, 1, 0 because the outputs are active low. Next, if line 2 is active, and remaining active 0, and remaining output lines are, they are not active, only line 2, input 2 is active. What about 1? See, this is a priority encoder where the priority is given for the higher order numbers. That means higher numbers are given more priority. That means even though line 1 is 1 or 0, even if you have 1 here, even if you have 0 here, priority will be given to 2. If 2 is active, the encoder will not check 1. If 2 is active, higher order number is active, the higher number will be encoded. So here, even though it is 0 or 1, whatever the number you give it to line 1, 2 will be encoded. So how 2 is encoded? 0, 0, 1, 0. But here we get, since the outputs are active low, we don't write 0, 0, 1, 0. We write 1, 1, 0, 1. Correct? 0, 0, 1, 0. Correct? 1, 1, 0, 1. So this represents the decimal number 0, this represents the decimal number 1, this represents the decimal number 2. Similarly, if input 3 is active, whatever may be 1 and 2, if 3 is active, that will be encoded as what? 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. So this is 3. Correct? If 4 is active, whatever may be 1, 2, 3, higher order number will be given more priority. So if 4 is active and remaining these are 1, this will be encoded as what? 0, 1, 0, 0. That means 0, but actually we are getting 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so this is the decimal number 4. Similarly, if 5 is active, that will be encoded as 1. Correct now? For 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is 5. Similarly, if 6 is active, what is the output we get? 0, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 1, 0. Similarly, if 7 is active, we get 0, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 7. Similarly, if Y8 is active, we get it as 1 triple, sorry, somewhere I missed. Yeah, this is 1 1 1, right? 0 1 1 1. So 0 0 0. Similarly, if 8 is active, 1 triple 0. If Y9 is active, this is 8. If Y9 is active, what do we get? If Y9 is active, please write that. If Y9 is active, it should be encoded as 1001, but here we get it as, this is 9. Correct? Because the outputs are active low. See, active low, you actually represent 0 as 0 0 0 0. Since they are active low, 0 will be written as 1. If 1 will be written as 0. That is the only difference because the outputs are active low. So this is how, using only 9 input lines, we could encode all the numbers from 0 to 9. So how do we, why we don't have one more input pin? Because decimal number 0 can be encoded by using all the 9 inputs. By making all the 9 inputs as 1 1, we get the decimal number 0. So if you make pin number 1 as active, decimal number 1. Pin number 2 as active, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So that's how 74XX147 IC is going to work. And now we let us discuss one application of 74XX147. So this is the truth table. And now let us discuss one application of 74XX147. So I'll write the circuit and I'll explain. Okay. So here I have written the circuit of 74XX147. One application circuit of 74XX147 wherein it is used to interface BCD keypad, that is memory keypad, into a microcontroller or a computer. So this is the diagram whatever I have written, encoding a decimal keypad into BCD, So this is the diagram which encodes the decimal keypad 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into BCD, A, B, C, D. Outputs are also active low. So inputs are also active low, correct? So inputs are also active low. So inputs are also active low, outputs are also active low. Okay. So it interfaces a numeric keypad into a microcontroller where it converts these decimal numbers into BCD before we transmit this to a digital switching system. So for example, the working of this circuit is, just have a look here, these are the switches 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these are switches, and one end of the switch is connected to VCC and one more end will be connected to ground. So, and that particular line is connected to the input pin of 74XX147. Similarly 7, VCC, 7, and one more end is connected to ground. That is because whenever we require, for example, assume you have pressed a switch 1. You want that 1 to be encoded as 0001. But here, since the outputs are active low, you don't get it as 0001. Instead, you get it as 1110. Correct? You get it as 1110. Now, as soon as I press pin number 1, key 1, decimal key 1, what happens? This particular key will be automatically connected to ground. Ground means what? It is logic 0. So when you press the number key, 0 will be sent to pin number 1 of 74LS147. So when you are giving 0 at 1, what happens? That means this particular pin will be encoded as what? 0001, that is 1110. Similarly, if you press pin 4, decimal number 4, key 4, what happens? This will be connected to ground. So ground means logic 0 will be sent to pin number 4. So whenever you have logic 0 at pin number 4, this particular line is active, and this will be encoded as what? 1011. That means 0100. Okay. So that's how this circuit is going to work, where we use this to interface a keypad and a computer using 74XX147. So these decimal numbers will be encoded into BCD. So this is one of the important applications of 74LS147 what we come across. Okay. So circuit is very simple. These are the switches. 10 switches you have, but 0 is not connected anywhere, because we know that when no input line is connected. When you don't press any key, automatically the output will be what? 0, 0, 0, 0. So 0 is not connected to any of the pin here. Okay, only 1 is 1. Correct, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All are connected to the inputs of 74LS147. Okay, and please don't forget inputs are also active low, outputs are also active low in 74LS147. So this is one of the application. Exam, you write this circuit and you write the truth table and just explain one or two cases. What happens when a key is pressed? If a particular key is pressed, that particular pin will be connected to ground and logic 0 will be sent to corresponding pin 8. So if you are giving 8, 0, that means this particular line is active, and if that is 0, what happens? That will be encoded as 10000. But since the outputs are active low, we get it as 0111. Correct? So this is one of the application of 74XX147, which is nothing but a BCD encoder. Okay?